Hello, Assalamu alaikum. This is Salman Khan from SK Designs. Welcome back with another video. Today I will just show you another AI tool, or you can see you can consider it as a graphic designing tool. It's totally like the Canva, although you have some similar functions and the objectives of the site, but still we have an option to do our a daily based post or the posters and banners and that kind of things. So yeah, I'm talking about Vista Curate. There is a website where you can find hundreds of I say millions of templates where you can just design your own style or on your idea. So without wasting time, let's get into the screen. So the link will be in the description. It's create.vista.com. तो यहाँ से मैं just कर रहा हूँ sign up. Just my first visit to the website. So it will verify that I am a human or not. The verification is successful. Now I have to create the account. Okay. So after selecting the Gmail, it says what kind of work you are doing. So I see like it will be personal projects. Okay. So here for now it's block. Okay. So yeah, now I am in the dashboard of the Create.Vista, and here you can see I have some like default dimensions. Like if I want to create an Instagram post, it will be like this. If I want to vertical design a vertical Instagram post, it will be like this. Facebook post, thumbnail of the video, YouTube video, logo, animated logo, business card, invitation, and loads of the default sizes that are available. Same as I have a feature templates over here. Okay, I can choose any of them and I can just easily use them. So these are some new designs. These are for podcasts. I have Instagram post gallery over here, Instagram post vertical over here. So you can just hover it and you can see it's moving as well. So this is square video post as well. So you can export these thing in like mp4 or a gif, and you can use it in on your Instagram post. So yeah, let's see. I want to curate you can see Instagram post, so I'm just selecting Instagram post dimension, and after that I will be move to the similar screen that we had already saw in the sorry Canva. So Canva के अंदर भी यही चीज़ें थी जो यहाँ पे मौजूद है. यहाँ से आपके टॉप में फायर प्रोजेक्ट्स और साइज वगैरह चीज़ें मेंशन है, आप यहाँ से एक्सपोर्ट कर सकते हैं. सिंपल ये थोड़ा सा इन्होंने यूज़र फ्रेंडली बनाया हुआ है एक्सपोर्ट का. आप यहाँ से एक्सपोर्ट कर ले और जो आपका डिज़ाइन है वो आप जिस फॉर्मेट में करना चाहें. तो दिस इज सम काइंड ऑफ बेटर यूज़र इंटरफेस एज कम्पेयर टू कैनवा, आई मस्ट प्रेफर. और बाकी जो टेम्पलेट्स है, वी कैन सी टेम्पलेट्स ओवर हियर. ठीक है, आप कोई भी टेम्पलेट उठा के यहाँ डाल सकते हैं. लेट्स सी, इस टेम्पलेट को मैं उठा के यहाँ डाल देता हूँ. ठीक है, एंड लेट्स सी व्हाट हैपन्स. और ये आपका टेम्पलेट आ चुका है और दिस टेम्पलेट इज टोटली एडिटेबल. सो या गाइस, इट्स रियली ऑसम. Again, I have an option to upload my images or videos as well. I can get images. ये अच्छा है. Like in Canva we have some pro images, but now these are like free images. I can use them for my design, or they are totally free, and I think they will not charge me for using the image, and I can easily export them. Like I want to export the PNG, it will be exported as PNG. Okay, the file is ready and I can download it easily. So let's see what it gives us. Perfect, perfect, really awesome. So now you can do daily posts for your Instagram, for your social media, any kind of social media with just clicks. So It's really awesome. Apart from that, we have some videos as well. This is the extra thing, like हमारे पास videos options भी हैं, आप videos भी use कर सकते हैं. अब let's say इसमें आप video डालना चाहें तो you have to just drag and drop, और आप यहाँ से timeline select कर सकते हैं. It's a total 10-second video. You can just trim it down, and let's see, I want to include the 5 second of the video and confirm. So here the 5 second video will be added. So ये देखें, that's it. Perfect. So this is really awesome and a really simple, like the flow you can do. Although you can include music as well. So already कुछ music यहाँ पे हैं. आप my music से आप अपनी music भी यहाँ से upload कर सकते हैं. It's really awesome. So you can do the video editing as well. It's really awesome. So objects, we have like doodles, we have icons, we have shapes, we have different kind of things over here, patterns or gradient things as well. So it's totally awesome. जो कि कोई भी अगर चाहे उसको अपने डिज़ाइन में लगाना चाहे कोई भी चीज़, सो ही कैन डू एनीथिंग. यहाँ पे बहुत सारी वेराइटीज़ हैं. इवन यू हैव सम मॉकअप थिंग्स एज वेल इफ़ यू वांट टू लाइक input a can, ठीक है, you can change the like text as well. So yeah, we have mockups as well. We have some background arts as well. आप कोई भी background art use करना चाहें आप कर सकते हैं. Okay, so this is the background that I want to use, और ये यहाँ पे visible है. उसके अलावा we have text art, and we have some styles as well, like the brain fonts, my first palette, and other options as well. So कुछ styles हैं जो already बनी हुई हैं, ठीक है, and brain kit as well. So this is the logo for the brain kit of the Vista Create. आप चाहे तो अपनी भी art create कर सकते हैं. You can show more. I think we don't have, so you can create more. आप यहाँ से अपनी ठीक है, यहाँ से चीज़ें आप कर सकते हैं. तो इसके लिए आपको ट्रायल लेना है, ठीक है. So इस चीज़ को भी रख लेते हैं. The last one is the favorite. So that's it. I think this is enough, and it's really awesome. I like the video and the music and the photos. These three panels बहुत ही ज़्यादा अमेजिंग हैं. और एनिमेशन की बात करें, सेम वही चीज़ें जो हमने कैनवा के अंदर सीखी हैं. If you don't know how to animate these things, you can go and check my Canva video. I have explained that किस तरह आप इन text को, images को आप animate कर सकते हैं और you can export. So I am not explaining the thing again because it have a similar functions that Canva do. So thank you so much for watching the video. I will be back with another video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.